Hello everyone. This is Mathu from GROBOOK Multi-Venture Limited. Today I am going to talk about Sakleshpur tourism. Before getting into this topic, please subscribe this channel and write down your comments if any. Sakleshpur is a scenic hill station located in the Hassan district of the Indian state of Karnataka. It is known for its rolling hills, lush green forests, and coffee plantations. Here are some of the top tourist attractions in Sakleshpur. Bisle Ghat. This scenic spot offers stunning views of the Western Ghats and is a popular spot for photography. Manjarabad Fort. This historic fort was built by Tipu Sultan and is known for its unique star-shaped design. Sakleshpur Railway Station. This is a historic railway station built during the British colonial era and is known for its beautiful architecture. Hemvati Dam. This dam is located near Sakleshpur and offers scenic views of the surrounding landscape. Kukke Subramanya Temple. This is a popular Hindu pilgrimage site, known for its ancient temple dedicated to Lord Subramanya. Trekking. Sakleshpur is a popular destination for trekking enthusiasts, with several trekking routes of varying difficulty levels available. Coffee plantations. Sakleshpur is known for its coffee plantations, and visitors can tour the estates and learn about the process of coffee production. Sakleshpur is located around 220 kilometers from Bangalore and is easily accessible by road. The best time to visit is between October and May, when the weather is pleasant and the landscape is at its most beautiful. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with a new video shortly. Stay tuned with GROBOOK.